Okay, these two, they're too much. Let me scoot this up a little bit. That's just so I know I'm still in frame. Okay. So we'll put that here, and then that's gonna fold. Oh, maybe I should put on the other side. Yeah, let's do that. I don't know. When I folded it out this way, it seemed like it'd be easier to write. Yeah. Be easier in general that way. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We are, I think I'm going to, always up to something. I know, now I'm thinking about changing it, of course, right? So it's still a writing. Okay, you can still write. But I was thinking about making another tuck spot. All right, but we're gonna need some thinner glue. So let's go with, I'm gonna try and just do it thinly. I forgot who it was. Oh, I know who it was. It's the paper outpost lady. She's always talking about how your finger is your free tool to use to spread the the glue. And she's so right. Oi, guys, oi. Yeah, it's okay. That's okay. Of course, I got some on my table. Yay, but I love it. I love that because it's just a little bit sturdier. It's not on there straight at all, friends. I don't know what your friend was thinking right now. Actually, the card's on straight, but this is crooked, so we're going to fix that. Oh, this is how we're gonna fix it too. We're just gonna bend it over, right? Bend it so we can get a little edge for our pocket. Fine by us. We worked it out. All right, let's do it. Let's glue this thing down. That's nice. Tiny, tiny. You know, now that I made 2 more tuck spots, right? I gotta put cards in them. So I didn't put the cards away yet. So that's good news. Get my little swirls on. I kept our tags close, so let me find something. That's it. Although, I'm gonna leave that card there so that we deal with it, okay? So we pick the right card for it. Actually, ooh, it's a little tablet. You know what I'm saying? So cute. Oh, it's perfect. Thank you. All right, let's round it off. And it's white paper, so that's really cool. Round it. Round it. We're gonna round everything else, but I wanted this rounded real quick just because I just glued in there. Damn, look at that, guys. Oh, I need more space to write. Boom. Little thin papers. I love these tiny thin papers. And picture. And in there. And boom. Isn't that fun, guys? Okay. And then we have one last one. So we put one in the very front. And here's our tags here. We're going to go ahead and round off the bottoms. Round off. Round off. And round off. Okay. We haven't done our tops yet, but we can pick that. And we can pick the ribbon, but at least we got those rounded off. Look at that, cute. Okay. And then here we are, middle. And did we round off? Nope, but let's do it. Round off and round off. Okay, and we already rounded that off. And now we're gonna do our very last tag. Tuck. And let's put it, I wasn't expecting quite to do that one there. Let's do this one here. This will be a good spot. It's cute and little, right? So, let's take all of our tags out. We'll go ahead and round those off since we're here. We're getting our flow. I feel like it's like once you get in the flow, everything goes. Okay, and we're gonna just glue our little tuck pocket. It's a pocket. Multi-pocket here. Okay. And do that right there. Nice. And that's number 3. While it's drying, I normally put those back in there. And then this is the very last one. And remember, it's just a, oh, let's put on the collage paper. It's a paper clip. Oh! Look at that, you guys. The paper clip is not on this one. I never built it. I never built it. Now we have to build it. Okay, well, I got a paper clip. Why did this not get built? What happened? It looked like there was something there. Actually, I could just do it like that. Doesn't necessarily have to be glued. That, oh, it's super cute. Yeah. And she can move it too. That's a good idea. So that was the extra. This is the extra for that one. Cool. All right. So real quick, because we might as well do it so that this journal is ready to go. All it'll need is its trim, right? So let's just do this. Crocodile out. Get our holes adjusted to the small setting. And really, I just eyeball it. And sometimes I don't even get it nowhere near where I should get it, but I'm just doing little holes. Okay. And I also have another one of their tools for the tops, right? So you can use a stub, like a ticket stub, or the scallop. So there's the scallop, which is really nice. We're going to scallop these. And then this one, love the pink. This one we're gonna ticket stub. Let's see what that looks like. Sometimes I like it. Yeah, it gives it a little different look. Cool. So that one's done. And then here's our next one. Some of these are rounded, which is really cool. I love that look too. And then we're going to scallop. Yep, and scallop. And scallop. This one's really little, it's so cute. It's cute. Okay. I think part of it is just being a hairdresser and just so used to cutting hair. I mean, like, that's scary. You'd think paper scaring me? What was wrong with me? Right? But people's hair. I was just doing hair. Okay, now. We'll add our trim. Lace and ribbons later. That one's already rounded. And then we're going to scallop. And now we will be complete. Yes. So awesome, right? Cool. All right, so that one is done, friends. Done. All right, it looks like, I don't know, but it looks like it just took me about 13 minutes to do that. So let's see if I can do this one in less than 10. How about that?